I am about to show you something amazing, guys. This isn't like any other synthetic wig tangling video. This is real. This is legit, guys. I'm going to show you how to transform your synthetic wig to never tangle again. I have a synthetic wig that I've done this trick on and it's lasted me a year and a half, going on to 2 years, and it will go on to live its second year out on my head. So guys, please pay attention. This isn't clickbait. I'm really going to show you how to stop your synthetic wigs from tangling for good. Okay, so this is the wig I'm going to be working with today. I got it from Amazon. It was literally only like £43. Yes, £43. And I got it from the brand Style Icon. I normally get my wigs from Style Icon or Sleek, I think it is. Yeah, Style Icon or Sleek are where I get my wigs from. And no, obviously this wig did not come like this. It came way more prettier with the curls and everything. But I did backcomb it and roughen it up a bit just to show you the extent of how much this trick works. So yeah, let's get started. It's going to be so simple, guys. You don't need any products at all. You just need hair scissors, and more specifically you need shearing scissors. You may also know them as layering scissors. These scissors have those little teeth cutouts that makes it look like a comb. This is very important because we don't want to cut the hair, but we do want to cut the hair in specific sections. And as you saw, I have normal hair scissors as well. And lastly, I'm sure you all have this, you just need a hairbrush. Okay, so for me to demonstrate how much this trick works, I'm going to backcomb the hair even more. This is synthetic hair, remember? And as you can see, my brush is not getting through all the way. So the first thing you need to do is brush the hair from root to tip to get all the tangles out as much as possible. Don't worry if you don't manage to get all of them out, but if you can get the majority of them out, then that is perfect. And then you're going to take those shearing scissors and working your way from the top to the bottom of the hair, make single cuts at different sections of the hair and then brush this out. Depending on the length of the hair, I usually cut 3 to 5 different sections of the hair. Okay, so once you've cut the hair, you're going to take your brush and from root to tip, you're going to brush out the excess hair that we have just cut off. And guys, here is where the magic lies. I'm going to show you me backcombing that same hair that we just worked on, and I'm going to show you how much this trick works. So I'm backcombing it as much as possible, trying to get all the tangles in there. And watch, guys, I can brush through the hair just fine. Now, obviously, at first there were a few tangles to get through, but still, after 2 to 3 brushes, it still went through like butter. Guys, this has been detangled for good. Okay, so I've done a few sections and now I'm going to repeat the process throughout the whole head. And the key principle to remember here, guys, is synthetic hair is the same length all the way through. When you think about human hair breaks at different layers. So when the brush goes through, those breaks allow the brush to go through at different sections. But with synthetic hair, the hair is the same length all the way through, and that is why it tangles. However, if we go ahead with the shearing scissors and create those natural breaks in the hair as it would grow out of our scalp, it will brush through like human hair. And that is exactly what we're seeing here. Guys, I can't believe I didn't think of this before. It is really that simple. And this is how I have made all my synthetic wigs tangle free for good, and they have lasted me for so long. I do this to every single one of my synthetic wigs as soon as I get them straight out of the box so that I know that it will never tangle. So I'm basically repeating that process all through the rest of the hair, and then I am twisting the sections that I've done to keep them out of the way. Then I use a hair clip to just get those hairs out of the way while I work on the rest of the wig. Oh, and when brushing through your hair, if you come across tangles like this, then don't fight the hair. Just simply cut them off because, trust me, it's not worth fighting your own wig. I sound so passionate about this because I'm genuinely excited about what I discovered. I'm not sure if anyone else knows about this or if it's something I've just discovered myself, but I just get so excited. Now my wigs will last me for so much longer. Please do let me know if you try this out. Or the least you could do, guys, is please do share this video to anyone who wears synthetic wigs, or just simply leave me a like and a comment, and please do subscribe to this brand new channel of mine. Okay, so I worked my way through the whole wig, and this is the hair that I managed to brush off the wig. No, it did not make the wig any thinner. The more you cut, of course, the thinner the wig is gonna get. So only cut as much as you want the wig to be thin. I hope that makes sense. Okay, so now we're done with all that cutting. I'm taking down those twists that I made, and look at this, guys. The hair has still kept its curl. It was a pretty wavy wig before, so I'm pretty happy about that. And look at that, guys. Look how I managed to put my fingers through so effortlessly. And when the brush goes through, it felt literally so smooth, guys. Please do try this out. Try it for yourself. See that I'm not lying. This really does work. This wig is also heat resistant, so I could use a curler to add curls. But trust me, the longer you can go without putting heat on your synthetic wig, the longer it will keep its quality. So for me, I only really put heat on my synthetic wigs maybe like once every 3 months, because I really want to keep the brand new quality as long as possible. But yeah, this wig is heat resistant, so if you do want to add curls with a curler, then you can. But I'm basically just adding those natural curly waves back again by twisting the hair through with my fingers. This is the final result. How beautiful, guys. I cannot wait to put this hair on my head. I did end up cutting this hair a bit shorter because it was a bit long for my liking, but I will definitely have a video up of me wearing the wig and installing it, so please do stay tuned for that video. Don't forget to subscribe so you know when I post that. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching my video. This is the end result. I'm just showing you the wig in all its glory. Wow, beautiful. I am so proud. Anyways, guys, I've talked for so long. I will let your ears rest now. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.